Hey, it's me again, your girl Vanzeig, aka Vanessa. Welcome back to my page, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. On today's video, we are going to be swatching some PR that I got from Madam Glam. They sent me my top 4 favorite colors for their launch of their 4th of July anniversary collection, and I could not be more excited. I picked out these 4 colors here. Y'all know I love some green and some blue, so of course these were like my top picks. And I needed another neutral, can never have enough neutral colors, and I love the color purple as well. Okay, so let's get into it and we'll talk about Madam Glam and their products as we go along. All right, stay tuned. All right, so as I said, this is their anniversary collection. Well, part of it anyway. I'll have something scrolling up so y'all can see where to get it from and what it looks like, what all comes in the collection. But I chose these 4 colors because these were the four colors that jumped out at me. Again, this collection launched on the 4th of July, so happy belated 4th of July and happy anniversary to Madam Glam. Woo! I have been one of their biggest brand ambassadors. Even though I have a small channel, I really love their products. I've been loving their products before they reached out to me to be one of their affiliates, you know. I've been using their products for forever. They've just been growing every day by day. I'm getting to a little bit about Madam Glam and this collection. This collection is called a Glam Life collection, where a decade of style shines brightly in summer hues and confidence radiates in every vibrant shade. This collection actually has 8 soak-off shades. So all of these shades are soak-off gels. And I have these 4 here. The only ones that I did not get were the Pink Frenzy, the Cake Batter, Mojito, and I want to say Chic Rose. Yeah, so those 4 I did not get, but I did get the Minty Mirage, which is beautiful. Of course, according to the top, we're going to do a swatch of the shiny version and the matte version. What I'm noticing a little different about this collection, as it being their anniversary collection, I'm noticing a few more pictures on the bottle than usual compared to some of their other colors that I've gotten before. I think that's really cute. But this one is called Minty Mirage. I also got B-Day Bash, which is a purpley lavender pastel-y like purple, and I love that they have like the Statue of Liberty on it. That is so cute because these did come out on the 4th of July, so their anniversary happens to coincide with the biggest celebration in American history, the 4th of July, so that's awesome. So I like that. That's really cute. This one is called Peach Fuzz, which is a cute name. It has little butterflies on the bottle. A very peachy neutral color. I think it'll look great on my skin tone. Yeah. And this one is called Blue Jolly, and it has little flowers on the bottle as well. All right, let me see what else I can find about it. Let me see. Stand by, hold on. All right, as we dig into this dazzling nail set that I'm gonna try to create with these colors, let's go into a little bit about a Glam Life as a collection. These 4 colors, as I said, came from the collection A Glam Life from Madam Glam. Thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sponsoring this video. They have 8 new colors in the collection, but I chose these 4 colors in the collections to work with. Each hue tells a story of joy, celebration, and the beauty of self-expression. Madam Glam is a vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free, and palm oil-free formula, and they are celebrating a decade of being in the business of gel polish nails. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. Y'all are awesome, and I really hope y'all continue on for eons in the future. But let's get into these colors. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Let's start with this one. If I can get it open. Where's my napkin? I always have something standing by because I have sweaty palms. All right, so this one is a more neutral shade, if you want to call it that. See, I have my other fridge tips on it. I had a video on these a few weeks ago, so you can go back and watch it if you want. But Madam Glam's polishes never cease to amaze. They're super creamy. I can't get the shot. There it is. There's the shot. Look how creamy that is. Super creamy, super pigmented. Usually you can get away with 1 coat for the polishes as well. So today I'm gonna demonstrate that for you, and then we're gonna create a cute nail set with it. Look at that opacity. Beautiful. I can tell that this one could be kind of more of a sheer if you wanted it to be, if you go in with a lighter coat, but it definitely can build up to be very, very opaque. So this one's got kind of like a sheer opaqueness to it, but it is very buildable. And that's just one coat right there. Beautiful. Love it. And again, this one is called Peach Fuzz. It's so cute. Such a cute name. I love it. All right, I'm gonna cure that for 30 seconds. All right, so that's Peach Fuzz. It's so freaking pretty. I can't wait to use it. Look how it looks against my skin tone. That's gonna be gorgeous. And I think it'll work with anybody's skin tone. So pretty. It's like a peachy color, which hence the name Peach Fuzz. I don't know, it adds like a soft, delicate hue to your nail that's very vibrant and pretty and spring-like. Yeah, so there it is in the shiny and also in the matte. Very pretty. Peach Fuzz. I love their names they come up with. So yeah, definitely give that one a try. All right, we'll move on to the next one. Stand by. All right, so this next one is B-Day Bash. It's like this pastel-y purple. Where'd my napkin go? Here we go. We're getting lint everywhere with this napkin. Again, always pigmented. Oh, I don't know. Is that about? That's not like a pastel. I would say this is more of a neon purple. This is very pretty. Ooh, I can't wait to try something with this. It looks like my neon nails. I wish I would have had this color for this purple. All right, let's test it out. Ah, too much. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. One swipe. Madam Glam never fails to impress me with their colors. I'm just enjoying painting it. Y'all know when I go silent, I'm concentrating or enjoying what I'm doing. Sometimes you just want to do it, right? And look, it's definitely self-leveling. I didn't really have to do much. That is one coat. Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful color. I love that. All right, I'm gonna cure that for 30 seconds. Right back. Oh man, this color is so pretty. So this is B-Day Bash by Madam Glam again. It is a cream polish. The formula curing time is 30 seconds by LED and 2 minutes by UV lamp. So depending on type of lamp, it's going to probably take less time or more time to cure the polish, especially ones with a more opaque cream color to them. So just be careful and know what type of UV lamp you have. I went ahead and did 2 coats on both, and I put a no wipe top coat, Madam Glam's no wipe top coat, and Madam Glam's velvet matte top coat, to show y'all how they look in both. And they are absolutely stunning, as I thought they would be. Oh, and I forgot to mention that these are 15 milliliter bottles, all of them. Beautiful color, affordable prices. Woo, I love this one. I gotta use this one today. All right, stand by for the next one. Okay, so this next one is called Blue Jolly. It is also a soak-off gel. It's a cream color gel formula. The curing time is 2 minutes by UV lamp, 30 seconds by LED. What else can I? Oh, wow. It's like a baby blue color. Oh my goodness. For us having babies in the summer, this is the perfect baby blue. I can't really say it's like baby blue. It's like a sky blue slash, I don't know, it captures like clear sky days or something. Yeah. And a beach day. It's so flipping pretty. Oh man, what color am I gonna use today? Can I make a set with all the colors I chose? I don't know. Anyway, let's keep swatching. Let's see what it looked like on a swatch stick. And I'm trying to keep y'all from having to run too long into my swatching video, because I do plan to do a nail set with these colors. Oh, it's so pretty. It's definitely giving summer beach vibes. Like, I can't quite place the color. It's like sky blue, baby blue. So pretty. Ooh, who mixed this? This is beautiful. It's giving sky, it's giving baby blue, it's giving calm, it's giving clear skies, it's giving beach day. Like, this is the perfect color for summer. I hope y'all get this coming across on camera for y'all. It's so pretty. I can't quite place the color, but it's beautiful. The color is Blue Jolly, that's what it is. Blue Jolly by Madam Glam. That is beautiful. I want to use that like immediately. Look how pretty. Wow. Yes. All right, so I'm gonna put 2 coats on this one. Well, one more coat on this one, then I'm gonna do another swatch stick with 2 coats, and then I'm gonna do one shiny and matte for y'all. All right, stand by, right back. Okay, so this is Blue Jolly, all finished up. It is so pretty, y'all. It's like perfect for summer and spring too. Like I said, it's giving me beach vibes, it's giving me blue sky vibes, it's giving me summer vibes, it's giving me calm, clear blue skies. It's like the perfect blue color. So pretty. Highly suggested. I got one more color. All right, stand by. And last but not least, we have Minty Mirage. I know I'm gonna love this one. I love anything teal, blue, and green. Oh, I know I'm gonna love it. I already know I'm gonna love it. And I was right. Oh man, again, this one is called Minty Mirage. It's like, it's giving me like, almost all of these are giving me like a neon pastel color. I don't know how they did that, but good on you. A round of applause, because that is amazing. I'm like, it's pastel, but it's not. Beautiful color. Oh, thank you, Madam Glam. I really appreciate you. Okay, so this is like a, I want to say a minty green color. I don't know, just it gives me something refreshing about it, right? It's like cool, it's like playful, and it can be elegant. I love this one. I think this is my favorite. I said that about all of them, didn't I? All right, so let's go ahead and get to swatching it. And I don't know, most of y'all probably already heard the spiel about Madam Glam. They're cruelty-free. I'm also, I think how they reached out to me was because I'm a VIP member as well, where you pay a certain amount each month. I forgot how much it was, but I'll try to put it in the description box or the details below. But as a VIP member, you pay a small amount, and it's like putting money in the bank for whatever polishes you. Oh, look at that. That's one coat, self-leveling, fully opaque, like beautiful. But you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's like you're putting money in the bank to be a VIP member. And when you do decide to purchase, it's like the money's coming like out of the bank for you. I'll try to describe it better in my description box below, or maybe I'll come up with it as I finish filming my video. But if you don't want to use my coupon code, I highly suggest y'all sign up to be a VIP, because it's well worth it. I got another box coming with their stuff on my VIP membership too, so I get PR and I get VIP from them. That's how much I love their polishes. But anywho, yeah, this is definitely worth the 10-year celebration. These colors are beautiful. They're like pastel / neon. I love it. Okay, so this is again Minty Mirage. Let me cure this for 30 to 60 seconds, and then I'm gonna apply another coat, do a same thing to a matte coat swatch stick for y'all too. All right, right back. Okay, there's Minty Mirage in 2 coats, top coated with a clear shiny top coat by Madam Glam and the velvet matte top coat by Madam Glam as well. Beautiful color. Oh, by far my favorite. I think I've said that about all the colors though. Again, this is a part of the Glam Life collection by Madam Glam. It's celebrating their 10-year anniversary of being in the gel nail polish business. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put them all together for y'all. Hold on. All right, this is all the colors I got from them. Let me get out of the way. They are so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to design something around these. It's like I want to use each color on their own. I don't even want to mix it with nothing. But again, this has been your girl Vanzeig, aka Vanessa. Madam Glam sent these to me as PR, and I am greatly appreciative to help them celebrate their 10-year, what do they call it? They call it something else. Let me read. Hold on. They embarking on a decade of dazzling nails. This bundle is called a Glam Life collection. Glam Life has 8 new cream soak-off gels curated in bright and fun shades that capture the essence of summer, and they ain't lied about that. These are so pretty. I don't even know if this is in the camera. Let me back up. There we go. They did not lie. This is so pretty. It definitely captured the essence of summer in all of these. What else did I say? Each hue tells a story of joy, celebration, and the beauty of expression, of self-expression. Indulge in the kaleidoscope of summer shades, handpicked to ignite your imagination, which it did, and illuminate your nails. That's why I was like, they're giving me pastel, but also neon vibes, the entire thing here. So Madam Glam, if you're listening, I completely enjoyed this entire collection. If you feel very, very giving, I would love the other 4 colors in this collection. If I haven't already ordered it. But anywho, all the colors are vegan. They don't use any animal derived ingredients. They're cruelty free. They don't test their products on animals and never will. It's a 21 free formula, meaning free from 21 most toxic chemicals found in nail polishes. It's palm oil free, which is produced with respect for the environment. Beautiful colors. Madam Glam is a beautiful company. I'm so glad they reached out to me to help them celebrate their 10th year of being in business, and I'm so grateful for them for recognizing me as an affiliate or as a brand ambassador. I can't be overjoyed. I wanted to tell y'all more about the VIP thing, but I can't really describe it in my own words. So let me go to their site real quick. Hopefully it won't take me too long to find it. What is VIP Club? I'm sure there's somewhere on their site. Okay, here we go. So VIP Club, I'm gonna have something scrolling along so y'all can see what I'm talking about. VIP Club, join the Madam Glam VIP Club and get 1 month free. You have 50% off any gels, always, and free shipping. Step 1, your credit card will be charged $29. We add $29 Step 2, they add $29 to your store credit. Step 3, use them to pay at checkout. So your store credits just pile up each month. Even if you don't shop, you just keep paying into your credit fund. And when you finally decide, hey, I need some new polishes, you go shopping on their site, and whatever you have in your store credits, it'll come out of that money. You don't have to swipe your card or anything, or put any type of credit card information in. I think it's a beautiful way to use store credits. It's awesome. Like I said, club perks, 50% off all gels, always, $29 store credits every month, and early exclusive access to all their polishes. So if something like this one released on July 4th, but I know I've seen it advertised before July 4th, so I could have bought it then, but I knew they were sending me this, so that's why I didn't say nothing. So yeah, I highly suggest them. I have a coupon code VanessaZ40. It'll be in the description box, and I'll also have it somewhere on the screen for y'all to see. And I'll give y'all the links to how to sign up to be a VIP member if you so decide. Some of y'all may not have it like that, and just use my coupon code. You'll save 40% off anyway. Okay. All right. This has been your girl Vanzeig, aka Vanessa's. Either stand by for the nails I'm going to create for this with these polishes today, or I'm going to end it just to kind of showcase the polishes I received today. So stay tuned.